Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you adjust or resize screen size in OBS Studio. Let's get started. First, launch OBS Studio on your computer. Once it's open, look at the sources panel at the bottom. If you already have a source added like display capture, game capture, or video capture device, just click on it to select it. Now, head over to the preview window in the center of OBS. This is where you'll make all the adjustments. You'll notice a red border around your selected source. To resize it, just click and drag the corners of that red box. You can freely resize it smaller or larger, depending on what you need. If you want to keep the aspect ratio, hold down the Shift key while dragging. If the source is off-center or cropped, you can also right-click on it, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen. This will automatically adjust it to match your canvas size. Alternatively, if the source looks stretched or cut off, you can select Transform Stretch to Screen or Reset Transform to bring it back to default. Also, you can manually set the size by right-clicking the source, then choosing Transform Edit Transform, and inputting exact values for width, height, position, or even crop. Once you're happy with the size and position, click anywhere outside the box to deselect it, and there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.